Training a cat to do anything is no easy feat, but customizing your WordPress theme, is it really? That's a whole different story. Before we get started, let's take a look at a typical WordPress theme. But with just a few simple steps, you can transform it into something unique and personalized. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Appearance section. From there, you can choose your desired theme to customize. One of the simplest ways to customize your theme is by changing the color palette and fonts to match your brand. You can also add your own personal touch by uploading a custom header and logo. And don't forget about the widgets. Adding custom widgets to the sidebar or footer is a great way to add functionality to your site. And just like that, you've transformed a basic WordPress theme into a personalized masterpiece. Customizing your theme is truly easier than training a cat. Proof that some things are just too hard